we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today we have a bit of a different video. We're going to be cutting my hair. We're going to be doing a styling review. We're going to be doing a unboxing, sort of. And we're also going to be reviewing this little ponytail that I have in a bun. If you guys want to see all the details about today's video and find out more about what's going on with my natural hair journey, we're going to be talking about that. So continue watching if that is something that you might be into.
Second chances, empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
And lately, ponytails have been my thing. I have been like low-key obsessed with like these little clip-on ponytails. I'm trying a couple so I can get to the one that I really love, which is this. I have the 20-inch curly water wave wraparound ponytail. This is in the Brazilian texture, and this is how long she is. Super cute, giving very natural. I would much rather not come here on the camera looking a hot mess, but we kind of have to. Wouldn't it be fun, because I love Ebin so much, order some of my favorite products and some new products. I'm going to be styling my hair in a ponytail, but this time I have a new ponytail to try. This guy, anything Ebin related. We could use Ebin hairspray, gel, anything, edge tamer. Yeah, I think I want my hair mostly dry. I think I'm going to be doing like a full big chop pretty soon here. I just want to go either natural or just start from scratch. I don't know yet. My natural hair is a lot to deal with. I don't even know what hair type I have. I don't think I have full 4C, but maybe I do. Or maybe it's like 4B and it's breaking. Like I have some spots in the back where I think it's bald. We're just gonna have some fun before I cut all my hair off. I'm gonna do a quick little chop because that hair is just not doing anything for me. Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? I don't advise you cutting your hair like this. I am okay with it because my hair is really damaged. That's gonna do for now. That already feels better. That looks so much better. Okay, so the only reason I'm doing this is to kind of show you guys what it looks like after I cut it, because I think you've already committed to this video. If you're still here, you're probably curious. I'm just giving you a quick sneak peek. So this is like the rough visual you have. This is now the new hairstyle, but I think I'm going for like a slick all back look. Okay, that's my ponytail naturally now after the haircut. I'm kind of going for like a high ponytail. What I think I'm going to do is put the hair in like a rough ponytail. I have extra firm and coconut. Okay, so all Ebin products. I really want to put too much jelly products, like wet products. I'm gonna go in with some hairspray. Sorry. I'm gonna go in with this Ebin holding gel. Actually, I'm gonna go in with it in this form, so the bottle form. It's just clear, it's very strong stuff. little dark brown colored edge tamer. It looks like that. She's a little thin here. Do I even have any edges? That should be good enough. Oh wow, that actually works, guys. Okay, look at this side compared to this side. If your edges are looking a little sad, get that product first of all because it works really well. Next, we're gonna go in with this. This is the Extreme Firm Hold Coconut. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna use a different product, so I'm kind of gonna put it somewhere else. Let's try it out here first.
Talk to me nice.
Okay, I think we can try it on the actual baby hairs.
Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't want it.
This is looking pretty good so far. Twist my hair up. Small tiny bun. I wish I didn't cut my sideburns because I would have definitely done some sideburns, but I don't got none right now. I can already feel the baby hairs lifting. That's pretty good. I really like so far this stuff. How do we do this? I'm just clipping it into my bun. It's not like touching the end of my bun, but it's kind of mid bun, the bottom clip. So far that edge tamer, it's not working. The edges are lifting. So I don't recommend that product. Okay guys, I like this. Okay. It's giving a very natural.
I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up.
This ponytail was a lot easier to use compared to one of the other ponytails I like recently did an install with. I really like it and it was pretty easy. This is the final look using only Ebin products. I think I did a good job. I'm here for it. I like it. I would actually wear this out. I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of it. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys for this ponytail. I'm just gonna put everything back in the box and then show you guys again. I have this box here from Ebin, New York. I ordered this directly from there and I've been using their products a lot. I want to show you guys what I have. I love these gels. This is the Wonder Lace Bond Holding Gel. So I have it in the black and in the yellow. If you guys are familiar with Ebin, you know that they have different levels. So the yellow is like the weaker version and the black is like the strongest. Good. You can secure your lace with it. You can secure your baby hairs, your edges, anything you want, you can use that. Like this is great for installing wigs. Two of the ones like this, just in case this was something else, I wanted to get more. And then I got two of the red color. So I have a bunch of those. Same thing, the holding gel, one's stronger and one's not as strong. And they had this on sale, so I was just like, whatever, I'll get it. This is the Ebin, like, this is like a semi-permanent color. And then I got two of these little glue. Excuse my hands if it's dirty, I just finished doing this install, and then this is the Wonder Lace Bond Lace Adhesive Extreme Firm Hold, and I also got it in the container. I think it's the same product, it's just one's like a travel size, but I tried it out on my hand and it was really good. Oh, I actually got 3 of those, so I got 3 little guys. Really like that. And then I ordered 2 of these contour powder palettes, 03 Ebony. They're powder. I actually used the lighter color to contour my nose. And then I ordered this 24-hour edge tamer. It's in like a tube. It's the same thing as like the one that comes in the little canister. And then I ordered this 24-hour edge tamer colored dark brown. This stuff is fire. I used it on my hairline where it was looking a little thin. And then they also gave me this curl paste, sculpting and molding Brazilian avocado manuka honey. So they gave me this product for free. It looks like a silicone-y, see? It's like clear. So I'm curious to try that out and let you guys know to see how that works. So that is all I got from Ebin. I think I spent about $80 or $100. There was a duty on it when it came into Canada. It was a lot. So I don't know if I'm personally gonna order from them again unless I can't get something in particular. Where I live in Canada, it's like a pretty remote part of Canada. I don't really have access to beauty supply stores. All I have access to is Sally's Beauty. We don't have any black beauty supply stores here. So when I travel like to see my mom, I do get it and get those products from the beauty supply stores, but when I'm not around that, I have to order my stuff online, which is not a big deal. But some of the stuff that I want to order, they don't have it at the beauty supply store that I order it online from. Like I always order these online, or when I travel, I bring like 4 back with me because yeah, this is all I use to install my wigs. If you find something that you like, you're just gonna want to continue to use that product, right? This is not sponsored. This is just like stuff that I picked up and stuff that I like to use. If you try any of these products, let me know below because I really recommend these gels. If you haven't tried them, I definitely recommend. I said it before that this is a dupe for this Bold Hold Liquid Gold. These are dupes for this, like 100% dupe. Feels the same, acts the same, and I think I like these better. I haven't tried the black one, so I'm really curious to see what the black one does. You guys will see me trying them out in other videos, so you'll get my like opinion or feedback on them. Anyways, guys, now that officially concludes the end of this install review haircut video. It was kind of all over the place, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment on your thoughts. If you have any questions for me, just leave that in the comment section. I'll always get back to you guys as soon as I can. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye for now.